lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my shaving routine. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Before beginning, let me give you a bit of a backstory. So for the longest time now, I have been waxing my hands and my legs. But since a few months now, I have been trying out shaving, and I'm pretty much liking it because it is really hassle-free. Unlike waxing, it's easy. You can do it pretty much anytime you want. Having said that, I do follow some steps that are really necessary for a very smooth shave, and so that you do not get any razor bumps or cuts while shaving. So yeah, I will be telling you some tips and tricks and which products do I use for shaving and how I shave basically. I shave almost every 2 weeks, and if I have some special occasions or stuff like that, so I do shave in between if I need to. Otherwise, like in the lockdown now, I haven't really shaved even once. Like I shaved my legs yesterday, and other than that, for 3 months straight I have not shaved or waxed. I let them grow as much as they can, like chal beta जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. So yeah, now for shaving, I do not prefer going for a hot bath, but if I would have been waxing, I would definitely go for a hot bath, because that way your hair follicles, like the pores of your hair, it gets opened up so that the hair can be pulled out from the roots pretty easily and they won't break in between. So getting a hot bath or a hot wash is really necessary for waxing, but for shaving, having bath with just normal water is good to go. So after I take a bath, like my hands or my legs are wet, what I do is I scrub them. And for scrubbing, I use my favorite body wash cum body scrub. This is the Palmolive. This is a body scrub which contains coconut extracts, and also it contains jojoba butter, which nourishes your skin. This smells heavenly, you guys. I have talked about this quite a bit now, and yeah, so I love this. I use this on my whole body. So exfoliating is really necessary if you are a regular shaver, because if you have the uppermost dead skinky layer on your body, and then if you shave your hair, when the hair grows back, you can get ingrown hair, because the hair can't grow through the dead skinky layer. It looks like a very ugly blackhead, but actually it's not. It's the hair which has wrapped around under the dead skinky layer. So yeah, that's the case. After exfoliating, I use a body wash. So usually I use the Fiamma Devil's Key purple one. I don't know what the name is, but I'll put a picture right here that you can see. And yeah, I use this on my hands and legs, and I rub it gently so that it lathers up, and then I finally shave the hair. So for shaving, I use this Gillette Venus. It's the Simply Venus, the pink one. You also get a blue one, I guess, in the Simply Venus variant. They claim that it is a disposable razor, but this is not a one-time use razor at all. You can use it for a couple of times at least. मतलब 1 month तो आराम से चल जाएंगी ये. So that's a very good thing. Now talking about the technique that I use to shave, yes, I do have a technique of shaving. So to get the closest and the smoothest shave, what I like doing, I go in the same spot twice. So firstly, I would go along the direction of the hair growth. Okay, say for example, if my hair grows in this direction on my hands, I would shave like this the very first time. Okay, and then I'll apply my body wash yet again, lather it up. Then the second time I would go in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So this time I would shave like this. Okay, so what that actually does, the very first time when you shave along the hair like direction of the hair, you are basically cutting off the length of your hair. Okay, then the second time when you go in the opposite direction, you cut the tiniest leftover length that is closest to the skin, so that you get the closest shave ever and your skin really feels softer. Because otherwise, if you just go in the direction of the hair, then if you swipe your hand like this after shaving, you can feel those pokey tiny little leftover hair So as you can see, my hands are looking pretty nice and the hair has completely gone. I am like completely hair free now. And the last step after shaving is moisturizing. Now please you guys, do not avoid or do not ignore this step. Moisturizing is really important, because when you shave, you know, your skin sort of gets ripped, you know, if you know what I mean, because at the end of the day you are using a razor on top of your skin, right? So it's pretty much works somewhat like dermaplaning. Like the way you if you shave your face, you would know that along with the hair, it also removes the uppermost layer of your skin. So the same goes with your skin when you shave your hands and legs. So your skin is literally ripped off, so you need to bring back the moisture to your skin, otherwise you can get all those ugly razor bumps and those boils and those itchiness. And do not freak out if you get those, or if your skin feels very itchy after shaving, because that's pretty normal. What you can do, you can apply some sort of a soothing gel like aloe vera gel. You can apply that, or you can apply some sort of a soothing toner. Sometimes I also apply my plum white tea toner after I shave. That really helps me to calm my skin. Also you can use Soothol. That's a very handy drugstore product, so you can use that. Anything basically that is meant to soothe and calm your skin, you can use that. And after that, for some extra moisture, you can go in with your favorite body lotion or moisturizer. Now usually I apply the Vaseline cocoa butter, but now I am completely running out of that, so I have to use this Vaseline intensive care one. I don't really like it that much, but since, as I said, I don't have my favorite one, so I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, after you nicely moisturize your skin, you are good to go. Your skin is gonna feel the best of both worlds. And please never shave on dry skin. That is the worst you can do. Trust me, I have tried it once. When I was a newbie with shaving, you know, I shaved my legs, like ऐसे dry shaving कर ली थी मैंने. I got very tiny bumps, you know, like boils की तरह बहुत सारे tiny bumps हो गए थे. Never, okay, never in your wildest dreams think of shaving dry. Always use some sort of gel, shaving gel, any gel like aloe vera gel or body wash, body anything, just but use something, okay? Don't shave on a bare skin. Do not hold the razor or do not press the razor very hard onto your skin, because that can actually give you cuts. Otherwise you are not gonna cut yourself. Trust me on that, okay? Just be gentle. Do not try to shave off the whole area at once. Go in small strokes and shave nicely, precisely, and take time for that. Don't rush. So yeah, what else? I think I have covered every single points that you need to know. If you still feel that you have some doubts, then please let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to help you out. And yeah, don't hesitate to comment, you guys, because I do reply to each and every comment. I even read each and every comment. I really love it. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you people liked this and found it helpful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.